Everyone, this is the best productivity app I have found for Android and iOS. This is, you can manage your tasks, you can make the calendars, reminders, it can be synced with all devices, collaboration, and you also get WhatsApp notifications like the task which you will do. You will get the reminders, you can share the projects, like you can manage your events, and it is really great. You can try this, and the app name is Any.do, to do list and calendar. You can try this. This has 10 million plus downloads, and the review is 4.5. So as far as the daily planner, like to do or task, anything checklist, you can do with this, and you will enjoy it. This is not a sponsored video. I also use it in my different phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.